Hey there, motivation seekers. Today we're diving deep into the science of getting motivated and, more importantly, staying motivated. Let's face it, we've all been there. Pumped up one day, then totally deflated the next. But what if I told you that motivation isn't some magical force that comes and goes? It's actually something you can hack, control, and sustain. So buckle up, because I'm about to share some game-changing strategies that'll revolutionize your approach to motivation. First up, let's bust a major myth. The idea that motivation comes before action. We've got it all backwards, folks. The truth is, action creates motivation. It's like a snowball effect. Once you start, even with the tiniest step, momentum builds. This is where the 2-minute rule comes in handy. Just commit to doing something for 2 minutes. Want to write a book? Tell yourself you'll write for just 2 minutes. Before you know it, you're an hour in and crushing it. Now let's talk about your brain's reward system. Dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter, is the key player here. It's not just about pleasure. Dopamine drives motivation. So how do we trigger it? 2 words. Celebrate everything. I mean it. Even the smallest wins deserve a little party. Finished a tough email. Do a little dance? Cleared your inbox? Treat yourself to your favorite song. This isn't being silly. It's strategic. You're literally training your brain to associate tasks with rewards. Speaking of rewards, let's discuss temptation bundling. This is where you pair a task you're not thrilled about with something you love. For example, only listen to your favorite podcast while working out. Suddenly, you're looking forward to hitting the gym. It's like tricking your brain, but in the best way possible. Now, let's dig a little deeper and talk about the power of why. Having strong reasons behind your actions is like rocket fuel for motivation. Take a moment right now to write down your deepest purpose. Is it about health, family, freedom? Whatever it is, make it vivid and emotional. And here's a pro tip. Visualize the pain of not taking action. What happens if you don't make that change or reach that goal? Sometimes the fear of regret can be more motivating than the promise of success. All right, time for a hard truth. Willpower is overrated. What really matters is your environment. Design your space for success, and half the battle is won. Remove distractions. Put that phone out of sight when you're working. Add friction to bad habits. Want to quit social media? Uninstall the apps? Make the right choices easy and the wrong ones hard. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about a concept that might seem counterintuitive. The 85% rule. Here's the deal. Progress doesn't equal perfection. Aiming for 100% all the time is a recipe for burnout. Instead, shoot for good enough to stay consistent. And remember, rest isn't laziness. It's part of the process. You wouldn't expect your muscles to grow without recovery days, right? Same goes for your motivation and productivity. Let's shift gears and talk about the power of social motivation. We're social creatures, and we can use that to our advantage. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals. Check in regularly. Celebrate wins together. It's like having a personal cheerleader and coach rolled into one. Now here's something that might surprise you. The words you use matter, even when you're talking to yourself. It's time to reframe your self-talk. Instead of saying, I have to do this, try, I get to do this. Instead of this is hard, say this is growth. It's not just positive thinking. It's about shifting your perspective and tapping into gratitude. All right, we're in the home stretch, and I've got one more powerful strategy for you. Tracking and leveling up. Motivation thrives on progress, so make that progress visible. Use habit trackers. There's something weirdly addictive about not breaking a streak. Review your wins weekly. It's not just about patting yourself on the back. It's about building momentum and confidence. Let me share a personal story. A few years ago, I was struggling to stick to a workout routine. I'd start strong, then fizzle out after a couple of weeks. Sound familiar? What changed everything for me was combining a few of these strategies. Found a workout buddy. We agreed to text each other a sweaty selfie after each session, and I only allowed myself to watch my favorite show while on the treadmill. The result? I went from dreading workouts to actually looking forward to them. Now, I want to throw down a challenge to you. Pick one tactic we've discussed today and commit to trying it out. It's just one. Maybe it's the 2-minute rule, or temptation bundling, or finding an accountability partner. Whatever resonates with you, give it a shot. Your future self will thank you. Before we wrap up, let's hit you with some science. Did you know that celebrating small wins can spike your dopamine levels by up to 65%? That's right, your brain literally rewards you for acknowledging progress. And here's another mind-blowing stat. People who use habit trackers are 42% more likely to achieve their goals. The numbers don't lie, folks. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting motivated and staying motivated. Remember, motivation isn't some elusive force that comes and goes at random. It's a skill you can develop, a muscle you can strengthen. It's about understanding the science behind it and using proven strategies to hack your own psychology. Whether you're trying to build a business, get in shape, learn a new skill, or just be more productive in your day-to-day life, these tactics can make a world of difference. It's not about drastic changes or Herculean efforts. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. So what are you waiting for? The power to transform your motivation is in your hands. Start small, celebrate often, and keep pushing forward. Get this. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or, in our case, a single motivated action. Now go out there and make it happen.